Okay, so this is a graph of the amount of daylight depending on the day. Looks like some days very little at all because the y-axis is the amount of daylight. Oops, whoa. There we go. Amount of daylight. And then the x-axis, it's probably the day of the year. So this is like December 31st. This is like the exact middle. So what's that, June 15th or something? That's my interpretation from this. Like maybe there's something slightly wrong, but I think that's the basic idea. This is right in the middle of the year at June 15th, or is that June 30th? That's June 30th, right? Halfway through the year. That's 12 months. Sorry. So this is like June 30th or July 1st. Okay. And then this is January 1st, December 31st. On what date is the amount of daylight decreasing the fastest? So if we pick, let's just pick any random day. Let's pick this. What is this, like March or April or something like that? The next day, the amount of daylight's going up, right? If I was to draw an instantaneous slope, a tangent slope for this date, it's positive because if you read that line from left to right, it's going up. Left to right, it's increased on the y-axis. So that's a positive slope. So here, this is positive. The rate of change it's still increasing. The next day, you should expect a little bit more daylight because that's a positive slope. The next day, to what is this? Maybe this is my June 15th. It's still positive. We're increasing the amount of days. And then on June 30th, July 1st, or whatever that middle day is, right here, the slopes have leveled off. So around those dates, you should expect there to be no more and no less sunlight. We've completely leveled off at that point. It's neither decreasing nor increasing. So what day is the amount of daylight decreasing the fastest? It's a guess. It's decreasing on this date, whatever date this is. It's decreasing even faster here. So my guess is that it's decreasing the fastest right here. And let's see where that is on the x-axis. This is January 1st, February 1st, March 1st, April 1st, May 1st, June 1st, July 1st, August 1st, September 1st, October 1st. So it's somewhere between September and October. I'm going to say September, just a guess, because you can't get it exactly from this graph. September 15th. It looks to be decreasing the fastest in Alaska. What day does daylight appear to be unchanged? We already found that one, right? Right around June 1st, we've completely leveled off, and the next day looks to have about the same amount. You know, if you were to take two data points, find the slope between them, they're pretty close. So it looks like June 1st is where the daylight rate is now unchanged. It's leveled off. Keep approximately the same amount of daylight right in the center. What days is the daylight change negative? So anywhere after June 1st, you're losing daylight, right? So the slope is negative. So anywhere to the left of June 1st, July 1st, I should say, July 1st to December 31st. All those slopes are negative, so it looks like it's decreasing on that time period.